Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Candy. If it is your first time, welcome. If it is not your first time, welcome back, love. Anyway, so today I am going into a brand new style. Yeah, for the first time, I will be trying mermaid braids. Yes, and this style was created by another YouTuber. Her name is Analia, my hair crush. I will leave her link down below so you guys can check out her channel. But yeah, this is pretty much a boho braids look-alike hairstyle without having to use curly hair. So we are gonna create the curls from scratch. All right, so yeah, her hair, as you can see, is super long. Yes, her hair is basically waist length. And so I was, excited just to, take on something different, work with a different hair length and hair texture. Okay, so for this process, we are pretty much starting off doing a regular braid. Yes, your typical three-strand braid. Just attaching it, not even using the knotless method or anything. I'm doing them on the smaller side, so even if it's not knotless, it does give the illusion that they're knotless. But yeah, so I'm starting them off by, just doing a regular braid. Then once I get about an inch down the plait, then I'm gonna start feeding in more hair just to get, the volume that I need, because we are, as you can see, going to be pinching off pieces of the braiding here and just clipping them away, because those are what we're going to be using later to create the curly look. Yes. So of course I'm going to continue braiding and again feed in some more hair after another inch or so, and then continue braiding. And then we're going to um take off another piece of hair. Yes, pinch off another piece and just secure that away. Again, continue braiding, and after another inch or two, pick off another piece of hair. But this time, instead of picking off the piece of hair on the right, I'm going to be picking it off on the left, just so you have a balanced volume once you create the curls. All right, and then for the rest of the braid, I'm gonna just braid all the way down until I get past her hair. Once I get maybe an inch or two past her hair, then I stop braiding and just leave the ends loose. No need to knot it, no need to tie it off, none of that. It's not going to loosen or anything. So we just braid it past her hair. In this case, as you can see, I'm braiding and braiding and braiding because her hair is long. If your hair is shorter, then you have the option to not braid it all the way down or not braid it as far down. Yeah.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with
All right, so we are done with the first one. Well, the first one that I'm demonstrating, we are done. And as you can see, there are 3 pieces of loose hair along that braid. And so it creates, a decent amount of volume for you to create the curls. Guys again for another time to show you how we do the style. This video is with the assumption that you already know how to install a braid. It's not really a tutorial to show you how to braid, but just how to create the look. So if you need to have a tutorial, showing you how to braid, then drop a comment down below and we can do a dedicated up close video showing you how to start a braid or how to, install the braid, how to attach the braid. All right, so having attached the braid, as usual, as mentioned before, I'm gonna start adding or feeding in small pieces of hair and keep braiding, getting ready to start the pinching off process. And I do this on every single braid, you guys. For every braid, I do leave out 2 to 3 pieces of loose hair to create the curls. All right, so here I am now pinching off a piece of hair. And guys, can I tell you, because her hair is so long and because her hair is so silky and the texture is so similar to the braiding hair, it sometimes became so difficult to determine what is her hair and what is the braiding hair, because you don't want to leave out your natural hair. You understand? Because your natural hair is not going to necessarily curl very well using the method that I used. So you want to make sure that the hair that is being left out is actually the braiding hair and not your hair, even if your hair is of a silky texture. All right, so it was a little bit of challenge. My saving grace was the fact that her hair was a little bit lighter in color than the braiding hair. So that's how I was able to, tell what was her hair and what wasn't her hair, but it still posed a challenge. So yeah. All right, so let's get, the show on the road. Once I get to the front, I will try to see if I can show you again how I do it. But as usual, you guys already know the deal. Once you see a couple of them, then you pretty much get. and so on and so forth. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. Kind of sound rambly, but yeah, I hope you understand. With the braiding, yeah, we're now ready to go ahead with the important step, which is the hot watering of the hair. And this is how the curls are going to be created, you guys, by dipping each section into the hot water. And once you know, release the braids, then the curl.
Yeah. So they might go into
All right, so I'm undoing the braid at this point, and as I do so, you can, you know, start to see the curl pattern. It's more of a wave. Yeah, look nice. Look at that, guys. No curly hair added. This style is created using only your regular synthetic braiding hair. Any braiding hair of your choice, and you can achieve the style. Now, the creator of the style did use a special prep process to get this hair ready for the style, whereby you dip the hair and then you blow it out and then you flat iron it. I will do a separate video showing you guys how it was done, as well I will leave her link down below so that you can check out her channel to see details of that process. All right, so this is how it's looking. Nice. and you would never be able to tell that this hair did not come curly. It looks so nice, it looks very natural, and it's just right now giving me boss chick vibe, right? So this is it, you guys, our mermaid braids, and they look so much like boho braids. Yeah, amazing, love the style. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. Talk to you in the next one. Bye.